There's a storm ahead. Most turn back. Some try to outrun it, but not the buffalo. They face it, head on, not because it's easy, but because they know facing it is the fastest way through it. At 1848, we believe in that same kind of strength. For those who faced hardship, mental, physical, or generational, we offer something powerful. Skilled trades with Agentic AI providing purpose, inspiration, and hope. Powered by hope, fueled by AI. 1848.
America was built by the trades, but today millions of those jobs sit empty. Not because they aren't there, but because the next generation hasn't been inspired to take them.
The opportunities alone are not enough to inspire, amplify, and motivate this generation to run toward them.
As Mike Rowe said, the key to solving this problem is inspiring coming generations. Inspiration is what makes 1848 unique. We give people a clear path to a high-paying, future-proof career and a vision that gets them there in as little as 7 weeks. This gives them hope, and hope changes everything. We integrate AI into every aspect of 1848, magnifying impact and accelerating opportunity. At 1848, the forge comes alive. A spark from the blacksmith's hammer can ignite the idea of becoming a welder, launching a student into a future-proof career. We frame the future through the lens of the past. Our campus transports families back to the year 1848, immersing them in the age that built America while pointing them to the industries that will shape the future. As families craft their own products and take home iconic 1848 branded goods, they carry more than just memories. They carry the story into their homes, their communities, and across social media. It's already happening. 1848 is more than a destination, it's a movement. A vibrant campus where sparks of inspiration turn into stories of transformation. Stories that ripple outward, inspiring countless others to build, to believe, and to thrive.
Together, we can bring 1848 to life in McKinney by early 2026, a place where inspiration meets opportunity, and where America's future is forged in the fire of hope and hard work. We invite you to donate, invest, and partner with us in building this revolutionary campus. Join us in shaping a movement that will transform lives for generations to come.